up for auction is a refurbished, super clean, a little bit older model. Don't have a date or a SO number on this one, but it's a V710 IJ stream feeder. This is commonly found on some of the Pitney Bowes inkjetters. It's also used on just about every modular inserter today. Belt separation, brand new belts. I'll show you that after I have it set up just to run some blank number 9s real quick. I'm not even adjusting all this. I'm just showing you that the speed control works and the power works. You get the cable to connect it to whatever device you're running it from. This usually sends the auto on-off signal or the stop signal to run. So I'm just going to show you that it's working and that the speed control is working. Not much to it, except that it all works. This was just rebuilt by myself. New belts, aftermarket. Everything's aftermarket. These rollers are good. They were pulled from actually another shaft. All the bearings are good. Belts are new. It came with a new drive belt, and I think that one was new, and the one from the back running the motor. Like I said, super clean. These are all new. Everything's new in this, completely rebuilt. If you have any issues when you get it, let me know. The only thing that I notice is where is it? The little knob here broke off. I think I did that when I was playing with it. You can actually order this. I'll give you a link to where you can get that knob from, but you could just turn it here. It's not like it's sharp or anything like that. And that's pretty much it. Super easy to use. Plug and play. I think it has suction cups on the bottom. I give you the manual with the, what does this have? This has all the parts and how to set it up and how to adjust tension. You can also flip this up, and this thing adjusts here to do high tension and low tension for different kind of material. If you're feeding like into an inkjet line where you have thicker envelopes, you might need the low tension. But this is a great stream feeder. These are rock solid, and you'll get many years out of it. These come off, and I could actually box this up and probably ship it UPS. Or maybe in 2 boxes, depending on how you want to do it. Or I can put it on a pallet, either way. All right. 110 power, and I'll include a power cable, of course. Any other questions, comments, reach out. If you want to know what this would work with, if you can plug this into your system. Basically, it's a 2-pin on-off system, or you can cheat it so that it works independently of itself. See, without that, it won't run as soon as I cheat it. Actually, and then this tells it to stop, basically. This was off an inkjet line. All right. As always, good clean. Again, good clean machine. Ready for its next home. I believe it's got a 12-inch wide throat. And you can get some different kind of feed tires for this if you're doing like some weirder material like super glossy or heavy coated stuff. They make rib belts for this, kind of similar to these belts here that you could put on there. And if this was compatible with my inkjet that I have, that I just replaced, I would keep using this, but they recommend using the straight shooter. Yeah, the straight shooter version. So this goes. All right. Good luck. Happy bidding.